Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura MDX oil light. This quick guide will help you clear that dashboard reminder after an oil change, ensuring your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date. It's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. First, get into your MDX and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll see your dashboard lights illuminate. Next, find the Select/Reset button, usually located on your steering wheel or instrument panel. Press this button repeatedly until your multi-information display shows the engine oil life percentage. This is the screen we need to interact with. Once engine oil life is displayed, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding until the display changes, presenting you with a menu to confirm the reset. You might see options like Reset or Cancel. Use the up and down arrow buttons, often labeled Info, to highlight the reset selection on your screen. To finalize the reset, press the Select/Reset button one more time. This action confirms your choice, and you should immediately see the engine oil life display change to 100%. This indicates a successful reset. Finally, turn your ignition completely off. Your Acura MDX oil light is now reset, and your maintenance minder system is ready for its next cycle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.